Hi everyone and welcome back to another astronomical events video where I talk about the upcoming astronomical events for the upcoming month. And so in today's video I'll be talking about the upcoming astronomical events for the month of December 2021. So if you don't want to miss out on any of my new videos, please do hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell as well. So December 1st brings us the second solar eclipse of the year, which is a total solar eclipse on December the 4th. A total solar eclipse occurs when the moon completely covers the sun, revealing the sun's outer corona. The path of totality for this eclipse will be limited to Antarctica and the southern Atlantic Ocean, so not that many people will witness this event. A partial eclipse will be visible throughout much of South Africa. For those people who can witness this eclipse, make sure to bring with you solar eclipse glasses as well as a solar filter to properly watch and capture this event without a hitch. From December the 7th to the 9th, the waxing crescent moon will conjunct with Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter in the early evening sky. This makes it a great photographic opportunity to capture all three planets together with the moon in the night sky at the same time. The moon will first conjunct with Venus on December the 7th, before it proceeds with Saturn on the 8th, and finally Jupiter on the 9th. A conjunction event occurs when two celestial objects appear very close to each other in the night sky, as seen from Earth. Make sure to look to the east immediately after sundown to witness these conjunction events. From December the 13th to the 14th, we will have the peak of the king of the meteor showers, known as the Geminid Meteor Shower. This meteor shower is considered by many as the best one in the heavens, producing up to 120 meteors per hour at its peak. The shower is produced by dust grains left behind by an asteroid called 3200 Phaethon, which was discovered back in 1982. The shower runs annually from December the 7th to the 17th. It peaks this year on the night of December the 13th and on the morning of the 14th. However, the meteor shower will be hampered by the bright 70% illuminated waxing gibbous moon, which will block all but the brightest meteors. The Geminids tend to be very bright and numerous that this could still be a good show for sky watchers to witness. Best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. The meteors are radiate from the constellation of Gemini, but can appear anywhere in the sky. On December the 18th, we will have a moon apogee in which the moon will be at its furthest approach from the Earth at 406,300 kilometers away from our planet. The moon will be in its waxing gibbous phase with 99% illumination when this happens, so the moon will be a near full moon during this time. The moon will appear slightly smaller than usual, but the difference will be very subtle. Now, December the 21st brings us the December solstice. The December solstice occurs at 1550 Coordinated Universal Time. During this event, Earth's south pole will be tilted toward the sun, and the sun will have reached its southernmost position in the sky and will be directly over the Tropic of Cancer at 23.44 degrees south latitude. This is also the first day of the winter solstice in the northern hemisphere and the first day of the summer solstice in the southern hemisphere. People in the northern hemisphere will experience the longest night of the year, whereas those in the southern hemisphere will experience the longest day of the year. On December the 22nd, we will have a Moon-Beehive conjunction event in which the moon will appear very close to the Beehive star cluster in the constellation of Cancer. The moon will be in its waning gibbous phase with 93% illumination when this happens, making it quite difficult to capture the Beehive star cluster. At the same time, we will have the peak of a minor meteor shower called the Ursid Meteor Shower. The Ursid is a minor meteor shower that produces about 5 to 10 meteors per hour at its peak. It is produced by dust grains left behind by Comet Tuttle, which was discovered in the year 1790. The shower runs annually from December the 17th to the 25th. It peaks this year in the night of December the 21st and on the morning of December the 22nd. The bright 93% illuminated waning gibbous moon will block all but the brightest meteors. However, you might be able to catch a few good meteors if you are patient. Best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. The meteors are radiate from the constellation of Ursa Minor, but can appear anywhere in the sky. Finally, on December the 29th, we will have a Mercury Venus conjunction event in which the planets Mercury and Venus will appear very close to each other in the night sky, as seen from Earth. Both planets will be very low to the horizon during this time, so you'll need to have a clear view of the horizon to witness this conjunction event. Saturn, Jupiter, and Comet Leonard will also be visible in the night sky at the same time as the conjunction event, making this a great photographic opportunity for astrophotographers. As for comets this month, Comet C 2021 Leonard looks very promising for skywatchers worldwide, since it is expected to reach an apparent magnitude of +4 or +1, making it naked eye visible. In astronomy, apparent magnitude is the measure of how bright a celestial object is when seen from Earth, and smaller values indicate a brighter object. Objects that are brighter than magnitude 7 can be seen with the naked eye. However, people living in cities might find it harder to see the comet due to all that light pollution, so it is best to get away from it by going somewhere very far and remote. The comet was first discovered on January 3, 2021 by Greg Leonard at the Mount Lemmon Observatory when the comet was 5 astronomical units from the Sun. The comet will make its closest approach to the Earth on December the 12th this year, but it will be very low to the horizon during that time. The comet will make its closest approach to the Sun on January the 3rd next year. The comet is currently visible in the early morning night sky to the east, and will be at its highest point in the sky around 90 minutes before sunrise. The best time to witness this comet will be in the early morning of December the 6th, and it will be located in the constellation Bootes, close to where the bright star Arcturus is. However, the comet will be visible in the early evening sky after December the 12th, and can be seen at dusk. It will reach its highest point in the early evening sky on December the 27th before nosediving into the horizon. Use a night sky emulator app like Stellarium to properly locate the comet in the night sky. People in the southern hemisphere will get a better view of Comet Leonard as the comet starts to fade away. Witnessing Comet Leonard will be a once-in-a-lifetime experience, since it takes thousands of years to complete an orbit around the Sun, so catch it if you can, and having a telescope will be an added benefit. Also, by the way, a friend of mine has just recently started his YouTube channel called JD Astrophotography, where he will showcase his adventures in astrophotography with you guys. So, please do subscribe to his channel to help him out. So, that's it for the highlights of December 2021, guys, and I hope that you found this video useful and informative so far, and hopefully you'll be able to catch the total solar eclipse as well as the Geminid Meteor Shower that will occur next month. So, without further ado, I wish you good luck, clear skies, and stay safe.